preparation. Our DIY flat roof system is designed to adhere to a smooth, dry, clean timber deck. Arris rails are not needed, and we recommend fixing a 2-inch by 1-inch strip batten to all exposed perimeters. Ensure adjoining brickwork and chases are thoroughly swept and dust-free. Our unique 2-piece rubber trim gutter profile has 2 identical sections designed to mate together and clamp the rubber in place. Align the top of the gutter trim approximately 5 mm below the top of the batten and fix in place with the plain fixings. The sharper section is the top, the curved section the bottom. If you wish to leave the existing felt in place, then we recommend overboarding with OSB or plywood.